What is up, guys? Today, welcome back to the brain damage content. Today we're going to be building a $500 PC. It's my first build. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to be the guest today. We've got your standard great stealth board here. Okay, here. Here's the Mustex 650 watt power supply I have lying around. Wow. Series 7 Ryzen GPU.
That's a 5800X CPU.
I'm clearly brain.
Now we found a Newegg with
this crazy deal. Give us this free DDR4 32 gigs Corsair RAM Vengeance GTX. Gigabyte motherboard. $75 on Amazon. It was crazy. This is our GPU 1080, $75 off of eBay.
And we've also got this
DIY PC, 4 fans, ARGB.
18 case.
Oh yeah.
Pull out right now.
Okay, yeah. No, the CPU. Oh yeah.
Alright, so
Okay.
So we got this case. 4 fans. Here. So we're gonna start with the motherboard assembly. We've got the Gigabyte Beast 450N DS3H Wi-Fi. A solid motherboard,
so
with good performance.
Oh my god.
Wait, did you choose a micro ATX motherboard
Exactly,
for an ATX case?
Micro
Yo, look what
ATX.
this guy did. Micro ATX motherboard in an ATX case.
No guys, it's smart. Trust.
So here, we've got our nice DDR4 motherboard.
I do not know how to box this problem. Here's our RAM over here.
So we have our Ryzen 5.
Okay.
We put it in the Ryzen 7 5800X. CPU unboxed. Do not touch the pins on the back. If we touch on the pins on the back, we are completely done.
Be careful with this, bro.
So we're gonna unlatch that. You're gonna see this. And we're gonna simply drop it in just like that. And our CPU is in.
Let's go. Okay, bro.
We're gonna keep this for the sticker later. We'll show you where we're gonna put that on later. Did it say use this slot?
Yes, it said later color.
Okay. Is this right?
I don't want to use full slot. It's scary.
Yes, it's in there.
Okay,
Now we just click those.
this.
I'm going to start unboxing our Viper V3 4300 Lite SSD. PCIe Gen 4x4. Best value you can get for SSD these days.
RAM is in. Let's go.
RAM is in, CPU is in. We might have a little problem. It's a little large. But that's
Okay, wait. We got smaller ones.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to hold this down and you're going to just carefully screw that in into a port.
Is it going in?
Okay, yeah. And our SSD in. So cooler installation goes, we've got to unscrew these, do this. We've got to unscrew these 4 screws.
Right, because it's a stealth cool.
Yep, then we put this on. So we're just going with the classic AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler.
Special thanks to David, by the way, for supplying that.
Yeah,
Not fit in the budget, bro. But he just happened to have.
Yeah, I just happen to have an extra Wraith Stealth Cooler.
Maybe 2 even.
Nothing special, but it's going to get the job done.
I got my old PC here.
Perfect.
Here's my C drive for my old PC. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, wait, now I got it. There's like an extra container. What is this? 1 terabyte? This is my drive. W. Okay, here's the hard drive.
No, I thought I was supposed to put it onto the motherboard before I put the motherboard
No,
inside.
that's not how it works, bro. My dad did. My dad did that first.
Yeah, because over here, your USB port is completely off. Oh, wait, no, that's fine. Look, you see, look, exactly.
2,000 years later.
Okay, my gaming mouse. Oh. Put it on one of the gray ones.
Gray ones?
Yeah.
Oh! Yo!
Okay, the fan's spinning.
Yep, wait, you powered it on, right? Okay, so we got something on the
Wait,
mouse.
the Oculus fans are spinning.
It's fine, because we haven't configured them yet, I don't think. Because this is always on SATA power.
Okay, let's turn it on.
Yep. So we're gonna have to enter BIOS.
Oh yeah, the Black Panther screen.
F2, F10, or... Okay, so now we're completely on the software portion. We're done with the hardware. Oh. Yo, once we're done, let me take a picture for personal record.
Oh! I am from you.
Alright, go.
Oh, this anime opening is so funny, bro.
A nine-tailed fox suddenly appeared. If you believe
Oh, you're right.
Okay, let's connect it to a network. We don't have Wi-Fi. Good for now.
Believe it. I showed the
Do we
section.
not have Wi-Fi? What?
Yeah, the BIOS are fucked up.
No. If the BIOS is screwed up, then how do we get here? Okay, what's your name? We're gonna call it, these big spots. Okay.
What? The same one.
I mean, it's fine, because you can literally just rename it halfway.
Wait.
You can rename it in the settings. Alright, bet.
Because Colin is coming soon. Maryland password? Okay, wait.
Okay, just do it with your password.
I got it. Ah!
Right.
Security question 1.
What was your childhood? Wait, no.
The name of the first weapon. Wait.
It's fine, you're literally not gonna get these questions. Okay, Ligma University, I remember.
Okay, security question 2.
What was your first pet's name?
What was the person's name?
P. Diddy!
Oh, where's the
Drake! Okay, Drake.
Hell no!
Hell no!
Hell nah. Hell nah, bro.
I don't think I clicked on any of these when I was setting up, bro.
You gotta believe it. Or else they're gonna sell your information.
You can't be afraid of the computer failing on you. You have to make the computer afraid of you.
Believe it. Believe it. This intro is so fire, bro. Chat, I'm believing it. Believe it.
Hold on, Ray. What's your Wi-Fi password? I'm just gonna send you the.
Oh, it's the guest Wi-Fi, Home guest.
Okay, no.
It's just our address for the guest Wi-Fi.
Bro, you just stopped yourself.
Bro, it's like guest Wi-Fi. Who cares?
No, you just stopped yourself.
You can't even access it.
No, in terms of your address, bro.
Oh
It's
no!
fine. Just edit it out. Just edit it out.
Oh no!
Just bleep it out. Just bleep it
Nah,
out.
I don't care, bro.
Okay.
Install drivers.
What's the password?
Install. That's my address, guys. Come over and say hi. You don't come with like any lethal weapons or anything. Roland, if you're watching this, yeah. Shout out to Roland, by the way. He came up to me when I was in like 6th grade. I was like, "Oh, are you brain damage content?" Because I made Roblox videos. Alright, this is brain damage content. It's been like 2 months. I put off the editing for the video for 2 months. And the PC's built over here. I have some little gimmicks in it. Here, let me show you. So, here we have a Chainsaw Man figure. I got it on eBay. It was like 30 bucks. It took a month to arrive. I thought it was a scam. And then I got, I don't know if you can see it. The CPU cooler, I changed it out from the Wraith Stealth cooler to Thermalright Assassin 20 SE or Thermalright 120. Either way, it works. It works a lot better than the Wraith Stealth cooler. Because the Wraith Stealth cooler, when I was using it, I ran like a benchmark and it hit like 100 degrees Celsius. And that was really scary. My GPU still does that. It's still kind of scary. Anyways, moving along. This is probably the part where I'll put the benchmark things and temperatures and things like up here. I don't have 3D Mark. I have the demo that I got from Steam.
So that should be all right. So yeah, that's my PC build. It was, again, I think it was under $500 in terms of pricing. It was almost 500 exactly with tax, and then the power supply I had, and I think that was it. If you're interested in like peripherals, here I have a microphone from Temu. It was $50 including the stand, which is actually kind of nice. This microphone is dog water. That's why I'm not using it. I'm using the phone to record. And then this is a pair of Vic headphones that I use. That could be an aux cable from Temu. And what this is, it's like a noise cancelling pair for drumming, because I do drumming. And so I use these when I'm drumming so I don't kill my ears. In terms of monitors, I have an unnamed LG monitor. I know it's 60 hertz and I overclocked it to like 70 hertz, but that's all I could get it up to. And then this one is like it's another unnamed Dell monitor. It's also like 60 hertz, I believe, and yeah, that's about it. The coloring is really off for that one, and I can't correct it, so it sucks. The keyboard, I think I've done a review on this keyboard. Really liked it. The sound quality was really bad, so I might do a sound test again. Here's, I'm holding it the right side, alright. Here's the EpoMaker Shadow X. I got it for $45 on Amazon. I put speed silvers in it after that review because I used to play like Quaver, and what I would do is like the Wisteria switches that I still have on my spacebar and like my shift keys. Basically, they hurt my hand a lot when I was playing, so I changed them out. My friends think I'm a psychopath, but I love them. They're great. Yeah. And I'm also working on like a 3D printed mouse design. Like, comment down below if you want that. Want to see that? Basically, I took apart a Walmart mouse, and it's a mouse now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The PC part list should also be here, like on screen right now if I do that in editing, which I won't probably. So yeah, that's about it. This is the part where you click off to another video. I'm waiting.